Hey guys, we received this for our more portfolios organizer for test and try. So this is a three ring binder with a notepad, 1.5-inch ring, zippered storage pockets for papers, travel documents, presentation folders, cards, or any other thing you want to use. So my first impression is a very nice gift box. So this packing is really rare with these portfolios, but this is a very nice pack. So you can also give it as a gift, and is a gift box itself, the hardcover one, and the protective layer on the top. So it's a premium packing with a nice gift box and the protective box, and is the sweet or false leather thing, and there's a logo on the back. As you can see, stitching and everything is all good and looks really nice. The feel is also soft. There's a big zipper, so it's protective for the documents and other stuff. So we can just open up this zipper. It's a back pocket if you want to put something, quick access thing. And then, so this have this notepad. You can also replace this notepad once full. And this have this back pocket as well. So this three ring binder that you can use to put in the stuff or the paper. So these are the windows like for the ID card, for the all other cards, because they are all personal information. So the Amazon don't allow, so I cannot put it. And this is all the zipper. You can put in the stuff, and in the back all the papers. So it's a nice, the combination. You can put a lot of stuff uh, in it, and then with this zipper you can also put in your mobile or any other small device, and then just close it to take it. But the feel itself is very nice, soft, durable, looks premium, and then also carry a lot of stuff with a zipper, so it's all protective. And then you can also change it, so like the papers and stuff.